Where can you find these great views off your back patio, located in the mecca of everything, yet tucked away for serene peace and tranquility? Well, you can find it at 12600 Southeast 110th Court in Clackamas, Oregon. 2-bedroom, 1-bath, offered at $245,000, 645 square feet, an amazing healthy HOA with many modern day updates on the exterior, offers a pool, athletic court. There's so much to offer, but for now, let's go ahead and look inside.